Welcome back to your beginner guide for ranch roping. Today we're going to learn our first shot. This is day one, week one stuff right here. This shot is going to be set up with the calf traveling from left to right. You're going to swing a sidearm swing, which is a forehand swing. We learned that in the last video. But the key to this is matching the angle of the calf's head to the ground. Today's video is brought to you by Philippians chapter 4, verse 4 through 9. Rejoice in the Lord always. I will say it again, rejoice. Let your gentleness be evident to all. The Lord is near. Do not be anxious about anything, but in every situation by prayer and petition with thanksgiving present your requests to God. And the peace of God, which transcends all understanding, will guard your hearts and minds in Jesus Christ. Finally, brothers and sisters, whatever is true, whatever is noble, whatever is right, whatever is pure, whatever is lovely, whatever is admirable, if anything is excellent or praiseworthy, think about such things. Whatever you have learned or received or heard from me or seen in me, put it into practice, and the God of peace will be with you. This principle is going to run through everything you learn in ranch roping, but if you imagine this calf's head to this calf's face, it's angled to the ground. That's what you want your rope to mirror as you're swinging. That's why we're going to swing a sidearm, right? So if I'm swinging off the right side of my body, that's what we want it to look like. The goal here is for me to deliver my loop and for my Honda to hit the neck and for my rope to figure eight on the other side. This is going to keep your calf from running through your loop. It's very important. And as we're practicing this on the dummy, we want to focus on these things so that when you do actually go rope a calf, you don't rope everything deep. So you want your practice to mean something. So be paying attention to that. So I'm going to match the angle of that calf's head. I'm going to be aiming for the calf's shoulder, and then I'm going to deliver. I want it to hit and figure eight on the other side, if that makes sense. When you throw your rope, point at where you're throwing it. Point at the calf's shoulder. Guys, if you like content like this, you need to check out 310edu.com. Use code YouTube50 to get 50% off your entire first month.